Good day. You are welcome to the second volume of our positivity attitude series. Don't forget, in the first volume on positivity or positive lifestyle, we'll discuss some of the tips of positivity, and we'll say some of the tips for living a positive life is that we should stop focusing on negative energy. We should stop focusing on failure. We should stop focusing on past mistake. Instead of doing all that, for you to cultivate that positive lifestyle, you should start focusing on solution. You should start focusing on way of conquering more frontiers. What some of the things we said again to cultivate a positive lifestyle is to one, we should leave our comfort zone, and we should try to let go of past failures, even past achievement. Most of us over the years we are dwelling on our previous achievement. No, let go and conquer new frontiers, break new ground. That's under good positive attitude. Some of the positive attitude we need to discuss in here, including one of the positive attitudes you must learn is avoiding postponing issue. Face matter squarely. Do not run away from issues. Whatever things there is in your mind, confront it immediately. Do not always, in fact, be postponement, procrastination is number one thief of time. It's number one thief of motivation. It's number one killer of aspirations and ambitions. Face issue as they come. Do not postpone or begin to waste your time on things that don't matter. Another part of positivity you must focus is surrounding yourself with positive people. If you have friends who do not believe in positive vibes, if you have friends who are always focusing on negativity, what do? You say bad energy, go far away from me. Look for friends, go to internet, go to social media platform that gives you positive vibes for you to move ahead in life. Then again, you must from time to time be ready to take risk. Any friend, any social media handle, any person that do not give you that positive vibes, one of the positivity tips is to what? Let go of such people. Because once you are around people who are with negative vibes, you will not um, make it huge in life. And another positive attitude we must continue to emphasize on is you must learn at all time to smile through your problem. Do not forget that when you smile, there's an increase in the hormone called endorphin. This endorphin is a stress reliever. It reduces the stress, and once there's increase in this hormone, it gives you better mental stability for you to handle stress and handle problem. No matter the situation, always laugh and smile through your problem, because being thinking excessively, I encourage you to stop even thinking and killing yourself. Reason life out. Stop thinking and start reasoning things. Reason things, because once you think, you double your problem. Once you reason, you provide solution for your problem. So try and cultivate that positive attitude. Summarily, to cultivate a positive attitude, you must first of all focus on positivity attitude. You must start focusing on solutions, start focusing on a way forward, and stop focusing on failures, past mistake. For you to be positive, you must surround yourself with positive people and cut off those people that fills you with negative vibes, say bad energy, go far away from you. For you to be positive, you must stop imitating the flamboyant negative life on social media that are purely audio in nature, that are they trying to influence you, but whereas they are living fake life. For you to be positive, you must ensure you stop postponing and facing your problem now. For every positive mind, for every positive attitude is always dim with great reward. Focus on your positive side. Turn all your weakness to strength. Positivity increases your motivation. Positivity increases your drive to fight for your ambitions. Positivity increases your ability to handle stress better. So I encourage you today, live a positive lifestyle. Eat well, exercise well. Quit focusing on negativity. It tends to drain your energy. For you to make it great in life, you must learn to be positive. You must learn to smile through all problems. Because once you smile, you put the devil to shame. And once you smile, it gives you the ability to handle stress better, and it gives you the coordination to do well. Live positive today. Say no to negative lifestyle. Positivity will always open every door of breakthrough for you. Positivity will always lead you to greatness. Learn to gather all your obstacles. Learn to use them as steps for greater achievement. Thank you for listening to us at SPF. For sponsorship and other assistance, you can contact us on our Facebook social media page, and you can talk to us on through our phone number. For counseling and other things, we can always help you. Thank you, and God bless you. We are grateful.